So I'm helping my client set up a business and he's wondering what is the best, fastest, and most profitable way to make money online, or how to market my business. And I said, well, look, man, if you have no testimonials, if you've just started, you don't have any real results or proof or anything like that, I said the best way to do it is to just show people what you do to actually solve their problems. There's a new way, and it's not necessarily new, but I'd like to say it's more the right way. Now, I've been doing this and a lot of people thought I was crazy, but turns out it's been working extremely well and I haven't had to spend as much money on ads either. So the old way is this. You tease somebody with a very curious thing about what it is that they want. So tease the wants, and you get them over to either click on an ad or go over to a landing page or whatever. And then at that landing page, you promise to show them your formula, your secrets, the whole kit and caboodle. And what this actually is right here is you just basically selling them, right? It's what we call a VSL, or a video sales letter. So in this VSL, we call it all the time. I still call it that. In that video sales letter, you're basically going to give them some value, and then you're gonna pitch the thing that you're selling. Nothing wrong with that. Works very well. I have videos out doing it right now. It works. But I'll tell you what's been working better and what works for anybody who wants the best, fastest, and most profitable way to make money on the internet. And this is the ways that I'm doing it. I'm not saying you're gonna make money. I'm not saying anything like that whatsoever. What I am saying though is that this does work. It feels better. It's easier. The goodwill of it is just great. And it's the way it should be done. Because in this way, you're basically saying to somebody, if you want me to help you, you gotta pay for it. But what if people paid you not because they have to, but because they want to? Whole different world. In this way, you give all the secrets, you give away your value. You show them exactly what it is that you do, how you do it, why you do it, what you're doing it for, the whole 9 yards. You literally give away the secrets. You share your knowledge, and here's what happens. They'll then want to pay you for help to implement, okay? So this is what they pay you for. And the reason they're paying you to implement is because they want it, not because they have to, because they want to. Completely different deal. So here's what else is really beautiful about this. When you do it this way, trust is not a problem. You just showed them exactly what you do and why you do it and how you do it. I literally went to a client, and I'll be honest with you, I was like a day behind on something that we were trying to get done. So I just got up that morning and I pressed screen record, and I built out his funnel, his automations, his sequence, the whole 9 yards, and I recorded the whole thing. But he goes, brother, that's your wheelhouse. I do not want to do that. I don't want to learn how to do that, but I absolutely want to pay you to keep implementing it for me. That's the magic. And here's what happens then. You're doing what it is that you love to do. You're actually not having to do anything other than just show them how it works and what you do. They pay you because they want to. So here's the trick. Here's the trick. Understand number one, okay? People, I don't give a crap what goes on in the world. You've got to have these 3 things in play, okay? First off, the person has to have this, which is willpower. You can't give people willpower. You can motivate them, you can get them excited, you can boost them up, but they gotta have to want to do it, okay? Once they decide, I want to do it, you can give them the blueprint, or you can sell them the implementation of it, the whole 9 yards, but nothing will happen unless you give them actual support, okay? The reason Michael Jordan still had coaches, a lot of them, by the end of his career, wasn't because he needed help learning how to dribble or shoot that jump shot. It was because he needed somebody to say, come on, man, get in here, let's do this. Let's make this happen. Let's shoot those 1,000 jumpers today. That's what he needed. When the pressure was hot, he needed somebody there to support him on the blueprint, on the implementation. That's what is so important. So when you give away all of the secrets, you give away all of your knowledge, what you're doing, all of your info, and you do that for free, what people will do, and what's been happening with me, I've never in my life just had people randomly texting, emailing, and everything, just saying, hey, how much is it? I just want you to do it. Hey, how much? Just what is it? What is it? Hit me up. I just want to know what it is. There's no phone call. There's no strategy session needed. I still do it. I still take strategy sessions, but people aren't even like going to the website, nothing. They're literally just emailing me, how much? I just want you to do it. it? Because you are demonstrating your value. You don't have to worry about, what if people, if I'm brand new and I've never done this, out publicly, professionally, and started a business with it before. I'm like, well, then why are you doing it? Well, I'm really good at it. I have never done it for like other people as a customer and stuff like that. I'm like, that's fine. Can you show me how you do it? Can you show me how you solve the problem? He's like, well, yeah. He's like, I can do it in my sleep. That's why I'm starting a business. Do that. Give away all of your secrets, give away and show them everything, and they will pay you for the help. They will pay you to implement it because they want to. They will trust you because they've seen you do it, and you don't have to worry about this other stuff. This works, but not like this does. And it's a bunch of goodwill, and so much more fun.